Your fine natural hair will break off if it's not detangled properly. Not to worry though. Go ahead and watch this tutorial all the way to the end for not only a demonstration on how to detangle your fine natural hair properly, but also my top 8 tips on how to do so for longer hair in 2022. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're an OG curl friend returning back for more, welcome back to Fine Natural Hair Rocks, where your search for solid natural hair, beauty, and lifestyle advice starts. Once upon a time, I too had broken off, chewed up, and just overly damaged fine hair that was desperately in need of some proper hair care maintenance. To top it all off, it had the audacity to be relaxed. I had no idea what the difference was between a moisturizer and a conditioner, let alone how to even detangle my fine natural hair strands properly. Girl, it was so bad. It was so bad. Fast forward to today, and I now have thick, full, and very healthy fine natural hair. And it's all because of the major changes that I made to my natural hair game that I'm literally about to share with you in this video. If you've been enjoying my videos or if you've been liking this video so far, go ahead and show me some love by hitting up that subscribe button and also that notification bell button as well too, because those things really do help my channel out. Subscribing to Fine Natural Hair Rocks means that you're officially a curl friend, which is very amazing and definitely free.
Yes!
By hitting up that notification bell, you'll be notified every single time I post a new video to Fine Natural Hair Rocks, which is usually on Sundays. As you can see, I've already gone ahead and parted my hair into 4 separate sections, and I'm gonna go ahead and take down that first section now. As you'll notice, I'm actually not wearing any accessories. I took off my wedding band, I took off my engagement ring, and any other bracelets or anything like that, because you don't want those things to be snagging on your fine and fragile natural strands. The cleaner your hands, the better. So as I'm applying the deep conditioner to my strands, you'll notice that not only do I apply the deep conditioner to my strands, but I'm also lightly working my way through it. So you want to be working on freshly washed hair, applying a moisturizing, detangling deep conditioner to your strands so that you're able to actually work the deep conditioner through your strands while also removing those tangles. This is not the first time that we're going to be detangling our hair, but it is kind of like a prep before we actually go on in a little bit more thoroughly. Girlfriend, what Destiny's Child song do you think I was dancing to here? Definitely let me know in the comment section. Now that I'm done with applying the deep conditioner to my hair and lightly detangling my strands, I'm just applying the plastic cap to my hair so that I can sit underneath the hooded dryer for approximately 30 minutes. So I'll see you in a moment. Girlfriend, what do you currently use to detangle your fine or fragile natural hair? Definitely let me know by popping that into the comment section down below. Tip number 2 is to work in small sections. Working in small sections is going to give you the ability to detangle your strands with minimal breakage. Another bonus tip here is to actually detangle your strands in small sections underneath running water. So if you have particularly tangly strands, this is really going to help you reduce breakage and optimize your detangling session for optimal length retention. Tip number 3 is to always start with your fingers first and then detangle with a tool second. So as you can see, I am lightly detangling my hair with my fingers first, and then I go in with the Felicia Leatherwood brush second. Now, if your preference is to use a different detangling tool, like maybe a wide tooth comb, maybe a Denman brush, by all means, feel free to use the tool of your preference, but be sure to detangle with those fingers before detangling with your tool. Tip number 4 is to use an amazingly hydrating and moisturizing deep conditioner. So everything I'm doing here, none of it is going to work at all if you're applying a protein deep conditioner to your hair, because protein will stiffen the strands up, whereas a moisturizing deep conditioner is going to make sure create more slip, more movement, and overall just a better detangling session, which is in the interest of optimal length retention. Tip number 5 is to never ever rush the detangling process. You definitely want to take your time, because this is the moment when you can snap off perfectly healthy strands, which is completely averse to what we're trying to do here when we're trying to obtain the healthiest, longest, fine and fragile natural hair that we possibly can. Tip number 6 is to start from the ends and work your way up to your scalp. So starting from the ends ensures that you are not breaking off perfectly healthy strands, and it really does give your strands the best possible chance to survive this detangling process, which, believe it or not, is a pretty stressful process for fine and fragile natural strands. Tip number 7 is to use heat when deep conditioning your hair. Heat is going to add moisture and slip to the detangling process when you're applying your deep conditioner to your fine and fragile natural hair. Tip number 8 is to be gentle. Treat your fine hair just like fine silk, and you too will have very minimal shedding and very minimal breakage when you do decide to detangle your fine and fragile natural hair. If you're interested in even more content just like this, resources, updates, everything amazing as it relates to Fine Natural Hair Rocks, then you're definitely going to want to sign up for the Curlfriend Crew newsletter waitlist. I've actually made it super easy for you to go ahead and sign up right now by clicking the link right there, which should take you directly to the Fine Natural Hair Rocks official website, where you can sign up for that free newsletter waitlist today. Did you get all the way to the end of this video? Thank you so much for watching, Curlfriend. Definitely go ahead and hit up that like button. And also, if you really did enjoy this video, share it with a friend, because the more Curlfriends in the Curlfriend Crew, the better. On Sunday, I'll actually be releasing the very first video in our new regular monthly series of favorites. Every single month, at the end of the month, I'll be sharing my very favorite products as it relates to beauty and natural hair. Curlfriend, do you want more? If you want even more amazing Fine Natural Hair Rocks videos, then go ahead and check out these videos next for even more content related to natural hair and beauty. Thank you so much for watching, Curlfriend. I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye!